So let's see how an institute can create certificates for its students. So on the right hand side corner you can see certificate head maps. Click on that and this page will appear. So you need to select the subunit for which student which certificate you want to create. So select the subunit and select the type of form. So here we will see for transfer certificate. Okay, so this is a ready format of transfer certificate that we have in the software. So suppose now you want to make several changes into this, you want to add and delete certain things, how that can be done. So on the left hand side you can see standard heads are given which can be used in your certificate. Okay, so this is the ready format. Suppose I want to remove the character from here. So what can be done? You have to just select on that and say unmap. So this will disappear. Okay, and now you want to add something else. For example, you want to add class studying in. Okay, that is already there, so let's select something else. Suppose I want to add contact number. You have to select contact number and you can do multiple selections also. You can select contact number, you can select email address and just say map heads. Okay, so here you can see that, sorry, this is already mapped. So email address is already present over here. So you have got that error. So just select contact number and say map heads. So you can see that contact number is already here in the certificate. So you can just change the serial number. 13 is not present. So what I'll do is I'll just select this and change the serial number as 13 and contact number of parents, even that can be edited. Parent, and I'll say update. So you will see that successfully we have changed the serial number and also the content of this. Okay, so this is the way you can map and unmap the heads over here. So now let's see how we can create a transfer certificate for the student. So just come back and in the academic module student search feature you will see that first of all we have to select the class standard 5th for example, the section of the student and say load students. So when you say load students, all the students that are there available in this class will appear. So for example, I want to create a transfer certificate for Shruti. Select the student name and here you can see admission form. Click on admission form and this page will appear. So now your map heads we have given a lot of certificate heads. So now particularly I want transfer certificate. Okay, so this is the format of the transfer certificate. Okay, so here you must have seen that earlier contact number of parent was not there, but after adding this is appearing in our certificate. Okay, so once this is here you can just select on society logo, school logo, student photo, blue background and admission number, because we want all these details to be there in our certificate. And the generation date will be the default, the day you are creating it, otherwise you can change the date as well and just say report. Generate TC and you will see that TC request was generated. And now the transfer certificate for the student named Shruti, we have already a copy of this. So you can take a print from here itself. So just go back to the certificate. So here you have to just keep in mind that before taking the report, you have to first of all generate the TC here, and once that is done, you can take a report. So in this way, transfer certificate or leaving certificate can be generated. Okay. So let us see how we can, in the same way, how we can create a student study certificate. So this is a ready format of the study certificate, and you can see name of the student, date of birth of the students, roll number, admission number, and all these details are mentioned. Okay, so everything, all the check boxes are ticked over here, and I will say report. So once I confirm, you will see that a study certificate for the name Shruti, for the student name Shruti, is created over here. So in this way you can create the student certificates whichever desired. The character certificate and bona fide certificates are very similar to this. So in the similar way you can create the certificates for any student.